For this video, I am going to teach you how you can delete a board in Jira. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open Jira and log in using your credentials. Just ensure that you have first the necessary permissions to delete the boards because only board administrators or Jira admins can delete the boards. So now from the dashboard right here, just click onto the board that you want to see. So for example, I have my board right here. This is a marketing research board. So from here, or you can alternatively go to the boards in the top of the navigation bar or under here, your work. Under work, you have boards, and under boards, then you'll be able to see all of your boards. You can even go for or click onto this view all boards option right here. So once you click onto it, just simply select the board that you want to delete or locate it, and then you'll be able to see a three dots icon situated on the right side part of that corresponding board. So right here, as you can see, I have this, and I'm just going to select this second board right here. So it is named as sample board. So I'm just going to click onto this three dots button right here, and then you'll be able to see a delete option from the drop down menu. So simply click on it and hit delete to confirm the action. Once you have deleted the board, you cannot, or it cannot be recovered, but the issues and the project data link to the board will still exist. So don't worry if that is one of your concern. So before we end this video, there are two important notes. So deleting a board does not again delete the issues or project associated with the board, and the board is just a view or tool to manage the issues. And secondly, you must have the appropriate permissions to delete the board, as I also said earlier. So if you don't see the deletion option, you likely don't have the necessary permissions and you'll need to contact your Jira admin. So this process again will permanently delete the board, so make sure you no longer need it before completing the steps. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.